Congratulations, mister.
What is up, Pyros? We are back with Vanguard. Whoosh. With Rescue. They are coming to save you. Guys in full tilt. They're ready to play some Black Ops. Look at this gun right there. Some Blackout. Yeah. We have 25 shots. 500-gram cake. Let's see. Vanguard did not have performance last time, so I'm guessing we're not going to see it again either. Nope. So I guess we're just going to have to wait and see. But we have 25 shots, 500-gram cake coming from Vanguard Rescue. Alright guys, let's go check it out and see if it does rescue.
That's a nice blue.
That cake lasted forever.
Yeah,